there. You should ride with us, Mama.
We're in the walkalator.
Where are we?
In the walkalator. Oh, T-Way.
Uy, mag...
Let's picture the cloud first.
I think mas nice sa baba na yung mga ano dito.
Puppet show?
Dito lang to sa tanay mga ano dito ang shooting area. Katugon ng mga houses dito. Muna siyang shooting area sa Kidama. We go to the houses, Joss. Nasa ang bulsa. Sige.
Where's Uncle?
Dala lang, maling na lang magdagan-dagan. Hi guys! Guys!
Hi!
We are here!
We're here at the
Petite France.
Petite France. Petite France is a place that you can show Pinocchio. It's a giant Pinocchio statue.
And then there's a colorful houses, right?
Colorful houses. You wanna try the peach?
There's a train, Joss. Oh, look at. There, oh, your favorite.
No.
I know, that's your favorite.
Serves all the west.
Nice that one.
Nice. Because there's a lot of cars anyway.
I know, that's your favorite. Oh.
Let's go down.
No, first the train is moving.
Oh, yes, yeah.
The train's moving back.
Ay, go inside the ano.
It will go under the under the mountain, the tunnel. Wow.
No, under the cave.
It's a tunnel, just like the one we passed a while ago.
Tara, go down ta dito. Let's go na.
Let's go.
No, you wait first.
Ano, let's go na.
Let's go.
Sabi na. Guys. Dami nagsato ginaw,
Ang laparo, manilang hangin dari.
Guys, sabi ka to.
Guys, mang
But
laparo.
kaya
lang
raman
hangin
si
diri,
Jael
guys.
lang, maluoy mi ni Jael.
Ang laparo. Kaya raman kani, kurog-kurog. Luoy kig naong ba?
Nauwi kayo ng isa dali.
Anak ko
we
siya
going?
pagsulod sa siya.
Ay, go niya.
Sukod.
Isay, ano na kayo?
Nasi, hello.
Sa imong YouTube.
Jael.
Oh, go na.
No, wait for me.
Where? Not there, not there. Because
There's
there.
a lot of dogs.
Yeah, ate, taking a picture.
Nya. Ang giro pa kayo.
Yeah.
Na-try na mga winter sunod.
Nya dong. Nya dong.
Tignan na. Tama na.
Did
Okay.
we see that? Did we see that? The cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice ko yung first dito, no?
Sa? Ay, gupo na din na. Oh. Yan ang murag ka na sa ilahang. Ano?
No.
Gawas ko si Mickey ba? Si Mickey.
Mickey, di ko siya nga. Ano?
Si Mickey
Yan,
ako
ito
gisugo.
mo.
Stop it.
Ay, yan. Gisugo.
If you go there, you cannot come back. Asya na lang ni gawas. Wa na nung siya kabalik. Asya, you go down, ha? It's very nice, you go down there. Amigo
Butan
namin
si Adjushe.
Amigo namin
Guys,
Mickey.
opo gitang Korea. Mura kag nasulod sa K-drama.
diyan,
Oo na nga
asam
mo
ko.
ang ano. Hello.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Ako ano mo. Dali, come here, mag-walk ta. Let's walk each
We'll
other.
walk together.
Dali lang, wait lang kayo. We will have the ano. Wait, sa kasama. Okay, come. Dali,
Jael, asam ka?
Just.
Juice, where are you, Juice?
Hi. We're in Petite France. Petite
Where
France.
in South?
Petit France.
In
South
South
Korea.
Yes.
Petite France is a place that you can show Pinocchio mascot.
And then there's a lot of what
No,
else pa?
Pinocchio
Mascot?
statue,
And-
and you could see a lot of cars, and the train is moving.
Yeah. You can, you can roam around.
You
Wow, diri. Ayaw sa
Wait, anak, wait. We will going to
Jael,
take
you
a
wait
picture
lang,
here.
And then the train goes
Ano
behind
man?
the rock.
Tinoon mo nila mga ano diri na maglakaw-lakaw. So, kasi
Behind
ginawa
the
na.
rock, look.
Ha?
Let's play treasure.
Ay, oh,
Ismael.
Josiah, here lang ikaw.
kalapit.
Outfit.
Guys, na dire. Guys!
Guys,
Look
we're
at
in the bridge.
Yeah. Sige, go. Sige, go, go. We're Unsa?
Love you.
Oh. Oh. Guys.
Nice diri guys. Di ba mag-picture na?
Yeah, a picture.
Hali.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture with the love you. You stand up with the
Wait lang.
The entrance is located at the front of the board. The captain's cabin and the engine room are restricted. In case of emergency, please
Guys,
follow the
naami
instructions
sana.
of the
Guys,
Going to Nami.
located under the
No boy. Nag-detect. Hey guys, we go to Nami Island guys. We ride sa boat pa ba? Ride the boat.
It's like a big boat. It's like in a saksak warm. Anamo.
Makita mo gud uban. Smile inside. Is it cold? Is it cold?
Is it cold?
Wala na lugayan guys. Ito ang self-cold. Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Hi
where are we?
guys, we're in the Nami Island.
Tanawa.
Hi guys,
We are in
we're in the Nami Island.
Diri ka sa front. Hali diri.
Hi.
Hi,
Where are we?
Nami Island.
Na.
Fourth one snowman.
Wow, nice.
Snowman.
Where? Wow. We're the same flavor. We're the same flavor. We have the same taste.
Fountain.
Up.
No, not there, anak. Sige.
I want a picture there.
Ay, unyan.
Your
Later,
friend.
later,
Friend
later.
will go first. Later na.
Let's video the fountain.
Yeah, in the fountain.
Okay,
Let's go.
okay.
Let's go there.
Dara mo na mga local gana.
Hi guys, grabe ka nice.
Gonna food fountain.
Grabe ka nice. Please do not enter. Oh,
Usually,
be careful.
ang nami, gwapo siya pag autumn.
Oo,
Kaya dagan kay mga hulog na leaves.
Oh, there.
Spring man karon guys.
Tara guys, oh, na fountain.
Video.
Tara. Oh, I'm really taking a video. Hi guys.
No.
There's a
Video
fountain.
without faces.
Wow.
Without faces daw ka na
Video
nang daw.
You
without
use your cell
Video
phone.
daw, papa.
Use your cell phone. Oh.
Pwede mo.
Is that what you want? Like that?
Wow, look at
Wow,
that.
nice.
Dito to, oh, tapos
Nice
Come on.
tayo fountain. Bye, fountain.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a snowman. There, Jael. There, oh. There's a Nami Island. Later. Shh. Later because there's so many people. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, I like it.
guys. Nami Island.
No,
Wala ko
but using
airpiece.
my phone.
Okay, he's Josiah.
Asa mo cellphone?
Your phone is in your pocket, right?
Patay.
Okay.
Smile. I will use your cellphone because para mag-shoot.
Lanterns. Nami Island. Nice. Sorry.
Annyeong.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Hi guys, we're in the...
Ay, guys, Island.
Where are we?
Nami Island.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi guys. Hi guys. We're going back na. Oh, grabe ka nice. Oh. Very ka nice. Going back na ni kay Manamisa Nami Island. Jael. Hi oh. There's a boat na. Go go go. Ay, that cable pick up video. Mama, we're in.
Sige, go.
Don't touch it.
Okay, go, you.
Touch it.
It's authentic samgyeopsal in Korea.
Let me do it. Mao na dito souvenir dito mo. Ma.
Where's Uncle Mickey?
I think they're going there. Hi, Josiah!
Can you cross this here because this is a river?
Really? Guys, Namisa. Sa gani, nakalimutan ko. Sa, ako na lang but this is the place. But guys, bento ko daan. Grabe, na-amuse ko sa ilang lugar kay na yung street na naay mga toilet. Toilet, guys. Practically view na isa buong natin. Oh, yes. Vertically
Where's
view.
my papa?
As in, shut up. Oh, here.
Papa, can we cross this one?
Come here na, let's go. Okay.
It's like a Bukana bridge.
Oh. Turo. Nice. Namiss ko sa ilang bathroom. Pero makita lang nyo sa street niya, ang malimpyo pag yun. Grabe, namiss ko na pagsunod ko. Oo, kulog yun niya, pag isapon. Alam mo, pag isapon ko. Di, anak ulit. Ay, sila. Ay, gusto pa rin ako ibalik ko, guys. Guys, hello. Asa ganini pa? Sa pangalan ni? It's a glass. True. Kanang glass bridge, guys.
Look at here.
Look at here. In our...
This is the glass bridge.
Hey, hello.
Okay, guys, that's
Stand up
it for
there.
today.
Guys.
Bye-bye, vlogger.
Uy, diri ba?
Bye. Okay, that's it for today. Bye,
Dito ba, dito,
viewers.
dito?
Oh, grabe ka nice. Korea, I think Seoul naman yun, no? So, part siya sa Seoul. So, kung mapansin mo, dagang kaayog mga mountains sa Korea. So, mga pila siguro ka tunnel, mga sudlan.
15 ka tunnel.
15 ka tunnel. Yeah, from Incheon to Korea tungod sa ilahang mga mountains. Isa na rin nag-vlog.
Guys,
Okay.
grabe diri nagsugod.
Tapos, kani siya guys, kani di mahadlok. Ako di po ko mahadlok. Pero ambot nga no, nadita ko kabalom lang kung in case, diba? Siya guys. So, this is the...
Whoa, swimming.
Why are you scared here? Oh, it's okay. Oh, look at mama. Oh. Yeah,
No,
diba?
I'll
It's
stand up.
okay. Why are you scared? Oh.
Where are we going?
Grabe. What time karon? 3 p.m. Init siya, pero bugnaw. Pero kaya lang wala puffer.
Okay,
Kani siya din niya
okay,
kaya,
viewers,
guys, oh.
that's it for today.
That's it for today. Then, na siya guys. The glass.
We're moving.
We're not moving. The water lang man.
Hindi mo gano'n mo maiwasan yung mahadlok at tulong.
Ano dili ito mahadlok?
Stand up, stop. Don't touch.
Joss, you're not scared? Ha? Ota guys. Ikaw. Okay. Then go back na. It's, I think, sa Korea. Around 3:06 time. Okay. Init, but the wind, init siya guys, pero ang wind guys, pati kagugnaw. So, murag siya sa mga bro good siya. Pero feeling na ko kay kung mag-winter means, ano ang winter mas plan ni.
Ha?
Okay. So, napira po ko sa among trip. Gamay lang ni siya na days. 5 days rami. Okay na. Sunod trip unta. Mas taas-taas na para this week. Ano na ba, masawa ginulo. Magluwa, jud ko. Magluwa ko sa kabugnaw. Oh my God. Hi guys. So, naami karon sa unsa ni Jongjiro.
Jongjiro.
Okay, so muna siya ang ihang ano. So, diba? Yongseok-ro. And then SBS. Ayun na siya.
One is coming.
Wala siya, guys. Wala siya.
Come on,
Wala
yeah.
sila dari ako. There. Uting ni. Laag lang ni. So, nice kayo. Init kayo, guys. But, hindi na mo ma-feel ang init. Mas ma-feel na mo ang bugnaw. Sa tinood lang.
Mapil ni mong bugnaw.
Mas ma-feel ang bugnaw.
Mama, water tour.
Water tour. What is that? It's like Fito. Nabas nila.
Start with what?
Start from here.
I will start with the video. Ay, picture ta ina na bi.
Ano, nabili na nun ako.
Ay, sige ra, okay ra kayo ni mo. Okay ra gyud kayo ni mo.
Ipalong sa ano.
Murag na mali.
Hi.
Nice kayo ni mo.
Oh, okay guys.
Nak, dili dira mag-go up nak diri oh. That's the wrong way. Ay, yeah, it's a nice way I go up.
No na guys. I don't know
Wait
that
for me,
I
wait
think
for me.
nagbaba na po siya. Kaya lagsing ko na. But yeah.
Nice kayo ilang stairs, no? Is it made of wood? Na nice dito oh.
Asa? Wala guys.
There's a tunnel. Hurry, hurry.
Nak, ayaw na ipakakita. Nak, ay dili ka daw dito up na.
Go. Dali. Hana Dulce.
See the
Next.
Millennium Juniper. That one.
Now guys, naami sa
Let's go
Amoy.
na to the car. Mama, let's go na to the car.
Ay siya guys. So
The
much ang
car's way
ihi.
over there.
Kulbaan niyo sa kayon siya kay di kan kus.
Yung step sa baba.
Okay.
You be careful ha, no running ha. No running.
I think healthy sila din guys kay kanang saka-saka ilahang mga lugar. So, kailangan na yung mga saka na yung mga taas na mga stairs. So, mo siguro healthy sila. So, kay 80 plus ka na, medyo husgan kapon sila. Kaya, hindi sila mag-walking. walking is ano yun kanang very helpful sa health. Kung pataas sa buhay din. Siguro sa lifestyle, sa kinaon. Conscious sila.
Train! Let's run to the train.
Be careful ha.
Gusto siya mag-train. Nice kaayod guys. Medyo tugnaw na. Kahit pahapon na. It's 5. I think more 5 plus na. 5:30 yata. So,
Okay,
really nice. Spring na. Early spring. But wala pa kaayoy flower. So, makita ninyo. Medyo dry pa ang mga puno. Wala pa yung mga flowers. Kaya medyo bugno pa dyan siya. Siguro mag-extend pa ilang winter. Na siguro sila sa 5 ka. Muna, wala ko nakikita. Pero, kapo kayo please, no? Tanawa ko ilang bundok, guys. Diba? Bundok ko. Medyo dry pagid kayo ilang mga puno. Away lang bundok kay. Muna, grabe. Kailangan niyo musaka. Baba, ana. Silang duha, guys. So, my lovey-dovey. Then, there's...
Hot air. Let's picture. So wait, first we will picture the hot air balloon. Picture the hot air.
Okay. Who wants to picture in the hot air? Sige. Smile! Okay.
Papa,
Pop
can
and...
you picture the hot air balloon for me?
Okay. Ano daw, oh?
Papa,
Hot air
can you
balloon.
picture the hot air balloon
Pero
for
siguro
me?
pag night kay pasigaon ni nila.
Here we go.
Nice. Kaya mara siya mga Herschel lights. And then there's na Korean na word sa taas. But pili ko kasabot. Siya, guys.
Let's touch it.
I think pa nice dira pa magpa-picture. Dira oh. Maglingkod lang ba sa bench?
Let's touch it with 2 hearts.
Asa may 2 hearts, B?
Oops, hinay ha.
Ah, there, sa 2 hearts.
Marami din. Oh.
Nice. Maharap lang gid kay nako ang Korea sa una, guys. Kung magkitalulo ko siya sa Tigrama. Pero karon nakato na gid ko. Tag makabalik pa ko. Sunod para maka-visit pa ko sa other places nila. Hopefully, by God's grace. Sige na una. Unahan.
Okay, you sit down.
Okay. Picture siya diha, guys. It's picture. Okay, wait lang. Smile! Di ba daw dry ilang leaves? Dry kay na pa siya, guys. So wala pa gid ang spring. Okay, tanawa ang mga puno, guys. Medyo ano, pero na dito green sa may bundok. Bundok no. Pero park ni sa ila. I think sa kanina place, tourists ang nag-adto dere.
No, I just
Okay.
all right. Breathe.
Wait lang. Nice pagid kayo music. Aesthetic. Wasted ka sa Korea. As in, ay, thank you, Lord. All of this is the grace from the Lord. We experience this as a family. Kung ako na si Jael, or madungan man yung isa, we will cherish this moment forever. Siya. Walking lang ta, guys. Sa coffee shop nito. Abi, ano sila sa coffee shop? Ay, not there, nak. Naibag
Sit
sila.
properly. Sit properly. Dili mag-inanaw, sit down. Ja, sit properly. Sit properly.
Oh, what happens if you sit down like this?
Ay, you will hurt your knee. You will hurt your knee. Sit properly. Mga kaoy. Mga kaoy. Lain po baho ilang hangin. Oh.
Okay, ano gani inahang ano pala? Okay. It's a secret garden. I think it's nice to take a picture here. Hadlok naman. Wala man good kaayo. Wala man good kaayo garden. Wala flowers because it's ano pa.
What map is next?
Dili na ta. This one is the next now. It's almost 5 minutes.
1 hour lang ang to.
30 minutes sa tagalakaw-lakaw. Sakit na kong dito. Wapo dito no.
Wapo gani pa. Picture ita ka. Sige na.
Na,
Balik ta dito ka para picture.
Uy,
Sige lang, okay rin.
pali sa diri ba? Stop lagi running. Kaya mahulog
Dito sa may
ka ba?
coffee food o dali picture ta dito. Nak ayo agi sa ilaha ha kay nagpicture
Oo,
sila.
oo.
Sa likod ka ni ma'am mag-agi sa likod. Sige ba si picture pa.
Oo. Ay.
Samok-samok magud ni siya.
Dali sa gudo.
Diri ka diri. Grabe ka, nice. Nasa sila yung coffee shop, guys. Aesthetic coffee shop. Really nice. Pa, picture ka? Tara sa na kung duha ka mag-ama na magsiglalis kay di ka puyo ang isa.